Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2003 ECE paper and the topic we are discussing is electronic devices. This is second 2-mark question came in 2003 GATE. The electron concentration in a sample of uniformly doped N-type silicon at room temperature varies linearly from 10 power 17 per centimeter cube at x is equal to 0 to 6 into 10 power 16 per centimeter cube at x is equal to 2 micrometers. Assume a situation that electrons are supplied to keep this concentration gradient constant with time. If electron charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs and diffusion constant of electron dn is equal to 35 centimeter square per second, then the current density in the silicon if no electric field is present: A 0, B minus 112 ampere per centimeter square, C plus 1120 1120 ampere per centimeter square, D minus 1120 ampere per centimeter square. Correct answer for this question is D minus 1120 ampere per centimeter square. We see the details now. Given that one electron concentration in a sample of uniformly doped N-type silicon varies from 10 power 17 to 6 into 10 power 16, where the distance is from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 micrometers. And other information given is N-type silicon at room temperature, Q charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, dn diffusion constant of electrons 35 centimeter square per second, J electric field with no J current density with no electric field we need to calculate. So look at this diagram. Here the electron concentration of N-type silicon is varying from 10 power 17 at x is equal to 0. This is x-axis is x, that is distance, and y-axis is electron concentration where n. So at x is equal to 0 the concentration is 10 power 17 and it is varies linearly till 6 into 10 power 16. This is the point. At x is equal to 2 micrometers. So we can say this is point A and this is point B. If you write x comma y, this is x value is 0 at point A and y value is 10 power 17, and point B is x value is 2 micrometers and this is y value 6 into 10 power 16. We can calculate concentration gradient because there is a change in concentrations as we move distance. Calculate concentration gradient dn by dx. dn by dx is equal to, that is distance between 2 points of a straight line. So it is 6 into 10 power 16, b minus a we are going with. 6 into 10 power 16 minus 10 power 17 by 2 minus 0. So it will be minus 4 into 10 power 16 divided by 2, that is minus 2 into 10 power 16. dn by dx, concentration gradient of electrons, is calculated. Now we should know, we should calculate current density with no electric field. Total current density is nothing but sum of two current densities in general semiconductors. So one current density is diffusion current density, the other is nothing but drift current density. Diffusion current density is always depends on concentration gradient, whereas drift current density is depends on potential gradient, that is applied electric field. And it is given that one under no electric field, so electric field is 0. Whenever there is no electric field there is no drift current density, so J drift is equal to 0. So now the total current density is nothing but diffusion current density. Equation for diffusion current density is Q into dn by dx. Q value is given and dn is 35. dn by dx just now we have calculated, minus 2 into 10 power 16. The value of J current density is minus 1120 ampere per centimeter square. So the correct answer for the given question is D minus 1120 ampere per centimeter square. Thank you.